Okay, let's go over example 3, the real life application. And this is part of chapter 7, section 6, solving inequalities using addition or subtraction. Problem A says your carry-on bag can weigh at most 40 pounds. Your bag currently weighs 22 pounds. Write and solve an equation to represent how many more pounds you can add to your bag. Okay, so right now, let's figure out how much our bag weighs. So your bag currently weighs 22 pounds, and we want to add some more things to our bag, but we don't know how many pounds we're going to add, so plus X for the pounds we're going to add. And the bag can weigh at most 40 pounds. So that means the total pounds must be less than or equal to 40 pounds. Because it could be exactly 40 pounds, but it has to be at most 40 pounds. So it means it has to be less than or equal to 40. Okay, now let's find out how many more pounds we can actually add. So let's solve our inequality. So again, we're going to draw a line down the middle, and we want to get rid of the positive 22, so we're going to subtract 22 from both sides. That's going to give us how many more pounds we can really add. So on the left side, 22 minus 22, that is 0, so those cancel each other out, and we just have X on the left. X is less than or equal to and I know 40 minus 22 is 18. So we can add, or you, I guess it's you can add 18 more pounds to your bag. That's what we found out there. Let's try problem B. It says it costs X dollars for a round trip bus ticket to the mall. You have $24. You buy a hat that costs $19. Write and solve an equation, or write and solve an inequality, not an equation. Inequality to represent how much money you can spend on the bus fare. Okay, so what are we going to buy today? We for sure bought a hat, and that cost $19. And we need to buy our bus ticket, and it costs X dollars. So hat and bus ticket is X dollars. And we have a total of $24. So both of those things combined need to be less than or equal to 24, because 24, that's all that we have. We just had $24. Less than or equal to 24. Okay, let's find out how much we can actually spend on this bus ticket. So we're going to draw a line down the middle of our inequality here. We want to get X by itself, so we're going to get rid of this 19. To do that, we're going to subtract 19. And on the left side, 19 minus 19, well, that's 0, so those go away. We just have X. X is less than or equal to, let's move that a little closer. There we go. Less than or equal to, and I know 24 minus 19 is 5. So you can spend $5 on your bus ticket. And that's it, we're done.